One of them days. I got the homie Oh Gosh here, ladies and gentlemen.
What's the deal? Yo, this Celsius got me zooted.
Bro, it's got me wired. The hairs on my arm are like tingling.
I didn't know where you was about to go with that.
So I'm just downloading this sample real quick.
Yep. And right there. Ooh, I have ideas.
I'll chop it. This one right there. Oh. Now, oh gosh.
Yeah.
Look, don't come in here ball hogging. I want to make a beat too.
It's a Celsius. This sample is so
Don't you
hard.
do that to me.
I'm gonna sit back. I'm just excited.
I'm excited too, and I'm so excited that I'll sit back here and start writing lyrics. You have me sitting back on the couch like this. This shit crazy. Oh, I'm supposed to be doing something, huh? Oh, here we go. Hey, don't you ever come in here using a keyboard as your 808 keyboard without using a MIDI keyboard ever in your life. Okay, all right. Is there a kick on this already?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'll probably do is go chop up another part of the sample and go over the top of it. I'm gonna just sit here and just chill. You know? I got plenty of things I can do over here. You know, just. I got bowling on my watch. It's cool. I'm a clown. I said I got plenty of things to do. I got bowling on my watch.
Hey, yo, bowling on your watch is crazy.
Mott Dog said, yeah, you able to now, but you definitely been on FL21 lately a lot.
I actually haven't. It's crazy. FL is just home for me. Like, I know it like the back of my hand.
Stop leaving home then, bro.
I'm a runaway child.
A runaway child is crazy. I feel like the new version of hate is for me to say, I really like that for you. That's the new, it must be nice. I really like that for you, bro.
That is some hater.
That's some hater shit to say.
Hey. Hold the phone. I have a bass sound that I would like to use.
That nasty dog is nasty. It's called Nasty Dog?
Nasty log.
Why is it called Nasty Log?
Because it's a log drum.
Oh.
It does sound kind of crazy.
Nasty Log, you say? Dirty camping trip, huh?
No.
That's not what it means.
You're getting it all twisted.
You're not my dad.
Don't give these people false information.
You're starting rumors. No, that's hard. Ooh. That thing long.
Hey, yo.
Drinking on a Celsius. Feeling like I'm Fahrenheit every night.
Oh, yes. You do that? Oh, yes. I'm adding the cello to that. Hey, let me tell y'all what, oh gosh, this is Carl's Jr. that came here earlier. I ain't never seen a man so content. Don't try to put that beat over me. That man was demolishing that Carl's Jr. He didn't even drink his drink. You know how they seal your drink from DoorDash?
I threw that away.
He threw it away sealed. That's how hungry. I ain't never seen somebody so hungry they don't drink nothing.
I had some water. Okay.
That brother's thirsty. That brother's hungry. What in the Home Alone? What in the Home Alone Lost in New York is this shit? You robbers are not gonna come in here and steal my toys. Not on Christmas. You might have ruined last year Christmas, but this year I'm gonna fight back. I'm Kevin McAllister. Head ass. Hey, better look up. Something's coming your way down these stairs.
He said,
You're gonna pay for that. Come here, you lousy little bum. Here go the ultimate production cheat code.
wow.
If you ever make two different styles on the same beat, you know how you make a mesh? You're one sound effect away. 1 second of white noise can make it
Oh,
sound
bro,
like it.
white noise be putting anything together. It could be some Afro beats going into some reggaeton, and it's a rap. It's like,
See, everything
Yeah.
works. Everything works. You just put a little white noise. Everything's meant to be.
DIY.